What's going on, guys? I'm Tex here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I have a great news. I've probably just resigned today, like right now, like in like 1 p.m. Now you're able to download any tweaked apps or games. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is like to go to the app valley. Everyone know this. Just go to any browser and search up app.valley.vip. If you don't find it, the link will be in the description. Just click the link and it automatically take you to this page. After you're on this page, all you're gonna do is there you can see there's a lot of tweaked apps. Like a lot of people like wants the uncovered jailbreak app. Just click gate one more time, click install, and I'm just gonna show you one more app. Like not this one. Okay, let me just reload it one more time. Right here, I'm just gonna show you like a Minecraft for free right here. It works too. Just search out Minecraft. Wait, let me just, there's a lot of ads you can see. You can see Minecraft is right there and it's free. Just click gate and click gate one more time, click install, and it should be installing right now. Okay, you can see the jailbreak is already in my iPhone. Let me just move it right here. Let the Minecraft finish. Let's just wait for that. It doesn't take that long. But I don't know when it's gonna get revoked, or like it's gonna get revoked after 2 hours or like after 2 days or 1 day. Just don't be mad. Like if it get revoked, it will resign again like for in next week, or they already signed it again this week. And there's a lot of apps you can see. There's only Fans Plus Uncover, I Spoof for Pokemon Go. There's a tons of apps, like any tweaked apps right here. Instagram Plus, like everything. They just wait a little bit. It's almost done. You can see it. Okay. Let's just go to the Uncover app. You can see the Uncover part. I have like the app. Like click it. It should say like this. Let's just wait. It should say untrusted developer. This is a new certificate. Just go to, like, if you want to trust the app, just go to your setting and like just scroll down. My Wi-Fi is slow, that's why it's reload slowly. They just wait a little bit and you'll see device management. Click that and click the first one and trust it. Now it should work. Like you have to do this instead if you want to open the app. Now you can go to the Uncover app. Here you can jailbreak your phone right now, or you can see it says jailbreak. Like if I'm not gonna click that because it's gonna shut down my phone, and I'm recording I'm screen recording my phone. I just don't want that to happen. Let's just wait for Minecraft. It's almost done. You can see it. It takes like 1 minute or like 30 seconds, something like that. You can see I have the Minecraft app too. Like just click the app, and but if it is not open like this, just go to your app store and do the same thing. Go to device management. Let me just go back. Go to general. Go to my device management. Click this and make sure you trust the app. Like for Minecraft, you can see it's verified. It works, and now you should be ready to go. And there's a just one ad, just annoying. And you can see you can play Minecraft without paying any money, like for free, 100%. And this pretty much how you do, guys. You can see I can sign in for free. And this pretty much how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.